school?
Kinda good. First, wait, where's my ID?
I forgot in the house.
Daddy,
I
I
didn't-
didn't tell you. Forgot my ID.
Sorry.
Okay.
I thought I already gave it to you.
No, you're not.
No?
No, I'm gonna put my neck and see it.
What did you do in the school?
Okay.
Did you catch the egg?
No. Wait, Daddy. Just
Yes.
catching the egg. I just throw the egg for Paul. Paul just catch it, but if he just okay. You have to say,
You catch the egg?
yeah, and Paul do like this and this,
And then?
and then it turn.
So-
So the eggs fall down to this crack.
No, I did not crack because that's plastic.
No, it's crack. I saw it.
Oh, so you have star?
No, wait till there's one of the star. Right there.
How about Matthew and Samson?
Big
Did they
eggs.
catch the egg?
No, there's the having
They
fun.
don't catch the egg?
Yeah,
They don't know how to catch?
nobody don't know how to catch.
Oh, just only you catch.
Why did there's football in school?
Okay. Just sit down and wear your seatbelt. We will go.